Crafters. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is number 4 in my 25 Days of Christmas. This is a card that I put together. I always hate to say created because, I didn't create the idea. I just put together a lot of ideas from other people and other companies and used products and that. So, there you go. That's what I'm thinking. So what this is a step card. And you can see that right there. And actually this came from a kit. And I will show you. I can pull one of them. I got these from HSN. I started collecting them, as a matter of fact. I think it's the best deal ever on HSN. And this is the Create-A Cards from Crafter's Companion, and it's 30 cards with envelopes. And I have to tell you, I don't know what the pound is on these cards, but they're thick. It's just luscious cardstock, and the envelopes are nice and thick. For $20, I think, $19.95, and if you get a deal, or they have a no shipping and 6 flex pays, oh my goodness, it's so worth it. So they have these in black, craft, and white, and I've gotten a couple in each. But they're wonderful. Love these cards. Anyway, as you can see, they come in the square side step, which this is, easel card, diorama, square center step, centerfold, and a gatefold cards. So they're already cut and done up for you, and you got the envelopes, and all you have to do is just put some paper on it, and you got it made. So this was really cute paper that I had gotten from someplace, I don't know, like 10 cents a sheet. As a matter of fact, this is one of them as well. And so I just thought it was real cute with this new gingerbread family that I had gotten from AliExpress, I think. And it was just so adorable. The Thinking of You at Christmas, I'm not quite sure. Might have gotten that from AliExpress too, or it might have been, I don't know. Could have been anywhere. But I thought that was so cute, little guy peeking out the side, and little gingerbread girl on that, and then you open it up to put your sentiment in there. And just so cute. So anyway, that's my card or my project for 4th day. And I hope you're out there crafting, because it's getting down to the wire. You better be getting your cards all finished up, because you got to send them out pretty soon. And I'm doing the same thing. So this is going to go to a special person, and I'm going to do quite a few more of these types of cards. So I will show you as I go. And so there you go. I hope you're crafting. Have a great day, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.